Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add or remove an open house on Zillow. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Zillow.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Zillow if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have the buy, rent, sell, home loans, and find an agent. In the top right corner, we have manage rentals, advertise, help, and your profile in the top right corner. And the search bar here also. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and remove an open house on Zillow. So to add an open house, visit the Zillow website, navigate to your listings property page. Then when you do that, click on more drop down in the top right corner of the page. Click on add or edit open house date, enter the date time, and scroll to the bottom of the page and click update for sale by owner. Then visit the Zillow website along with your account, navigate to listings, click on more drop down at the top right corner of the page, click add or edit open house dates, and select remove. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.